Hello everyone. A beautiful question is given here. This type of questions are generally asked in bank PO exams, Cambridge interviews, different type of management entrance exams like C.A.T, M.A.T, G.M.A.T and other competitive exams. So let's start. Find the value of under root 1 plus sine theta upon 1 minus sine theta plus under the root 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta. So this is equal to LCM of this is equal to under the root 1 minus sine square theta 1 minus sine square theta. So in numerator we have under the root 1 plus sine theta whole square plus under the root 1 minus sine theta whole square, and this is equal to 1 plus sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta, and we know that 1 minus sine square theta, we know that 1 minus sine square theta, this is equal to cos square theta. So in denominator we have under the root cos square theta, and this gives sine theta cancel, then we have 2 upon under the root cos square theta equal to cos theta, and this is equal to 2 sec theta, since 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta. So this is our answer. I hope you enjoyed my video. Feel free to suggest any topic that you want me to discuss. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe my channel right now. Thank you.